Hello and welcome, and next I am planning to show you that how works Toyota Corolla's seat belts, this lock device. And this is really this lock device, and let's look at how this works. And now we are talking Corollas, what are year models 2000 to 2020. These are seat belts, this lock system, and sometimes this is not working and sometimes it is like stuck. And how we can repair that thing and maybe make this part more workable. Here is in that now I have taken this my seat belt, this belt and lock system away in this side door panel, and when we open this upper cover in that way, we can see after that there is this plastic wheel what is also easy to open, and in here is this lock system, look, and this part, this gold metal, this part is this lock device, look. Now when belt is moving, that we are adjusting that, and here is by the way this lock, belt's lock switch, and we are moving that in this way. This lock system moves in inner in here, in that way. And then when we move that carefully, it moves, but then when we have this fast movement, that we have some collision, or in that way hard movement, this part becomes lock. And now we can look closer. Now it's like free, and then when I release that, this part comes in inner, and this is really this lock device. When we move that our belt very carefully, it is like free, but when we have fast movement, this lock device goes in inner. And this is really this critical part if we have any issues, that we have to check this part, and we can even maybe lubricate this part if this is stuck. A little bit oil in here. But check this part in your car, and this device is really from Toyota Corolla car, and there is even this airbag lock device what makes this in emergency case this belt even tight in this way. Okay, but this was really this information that this is this critical lock device.